Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox a brand new of Apple iPad. This iPad is a generation iPad. It has a 18.0 OS. The iPad is grey in color, very sleek. So let me on it guys. Okay guys, the iPad is on. So come close, let me show you the specs. Okay guys, this is it. See it. iPad OS version 18.0, iPad 8th generation. The storage is that 2 gig storage. Available is 18.6 gig available. So let's check other ones. iPad storage. This is it, that 2 gig storage. So this is it. So iPad. This iPad you can download any apps you want from the App Store. See the webcam here. I'll place it like this. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you some other times. So if this video is helpful for you, give it a like, a share, give it a like, a share, and a subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you some